Not my greatest video, but a short one on cleaning the Alcantara steering wheels on the new Mercs. So they put this stuff on for a luxury feel and as if it's a race car where they wear gloves, but in our civilian cars, the stuff just gets matted down and looks horrible. This is only a 10,000 something K car, and it already looks flat and sorry. And once you've got 50,000 Ks on the car, my friend's versions look just like rubber. So this is a product from Bowdens, an Australian company, which is great. It's recommended for Alcantara. Pick up some microfibre towels at the same time. And although the boar's hair brush was recommended by many, I just thought this was a bit too angry looking, so I didn't use this. And I just got a new hard bristle brush. So you can see here this hard looking surface. So I'm starting off a bit wussy here, and I've basically just wet the microfibre and put some of the cleaner on it, and the stuff starts coming off very quickly. So I dunk it, and then I get another microfibre, just clean water this time, just to rub off what I've done, excuse me, with the microfibre towel. And I got a lot more aggressive with my cleaning pressure as I went on. So after that, I sprayed the toothbrush with the Fabricadabra and got in there. And I actually started using a bit more to the pointed foam a little bit. Some people say don't get the wheel too wet. I didn't find this a problem. Back with the wet microfibre again to clean that out. And then I just got another dry one just to blot it dry. It takes about, I don't know, 2 or 3 hours for the wheel to dry, which is fine. And I'm just blotting it there to get the excess out. And although it's a bit dark, you can immediately see that this looks more like the peach skin, sort of the fluff that you should be seeing. And as I go down the wheel and I get to the uncleaned area, you can see the grub that's in the rest of the wheel. So I've gone through and done the rest of it. There's a sort of border of where I've gone up to. And there is a lot of crud in these wheels. So I was pleasantly surprised. So I got a bit more enthusiastic with my pressure. There's the original surface at the top, original surface around the right side sort of column. And this is what it sort of looks like at the end, which I hope sort of comes through. Maybe not so well, but turn the flash on the video and you can sort of see it. It is definitely a significant improvement, and I was very happy with that, to the point that it sort of looks like I imagine it was new. The left side, look, it's not translating very well, but that was pretty grubby as well. You can see a few stains in there all over. And this is it afterwards. It looks like new. So I was very happy with this technique. And Bowdens themselves actually give a good rundown on how to use their product. Like I said, I just used it, the wet microfibre and some spray, blot with wet, toothbrush and spray, blot with wet, dry. And it comes up like that, and I was very happy. You can see the microfibres pick up a lot of crud. There's the one on the right was with the spray. The second one's just the water, and that's the final drying one. Now that's a suede brush for anyone that asks. I was too scared to use that copper brush. This is an example of a mate's 204 C63 I did while he was around, and he was looking at my wheel saying it looks good. So I sat out in the garage and did that for giggles, and that came up beautifully. I really thought his 60,000 something K car would not come back, but it certainly did. And this was, like I said, a little bit more aggressive with the cleaning and the amount of pressure I used. There's a lot of good videos, but here in Australia, this worked to me, and that Bowdens was about 20 bucks, and the microfibers were about 15 bucks, and that's all it cost.